Imagine holding in your hand the ultimate retro gaming machine, combining nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. This is the Anbernic RG35XX SP. So in today's video, let's dive into why the RG35XX SP, a mouthful, is the best retro handheld gaming device this year. If you're new here, welcome to Digital Squadron and thanks for tuning in. On this channel, we talk about all things tech. So please consider subscribing and let's dive into this RG35XX. Alright, so this thing is quite sleek, it's compact, and it transports you back to a golden age of gaming while seamlessly integrating modern functionalities. So let's open up the box and see what comes in it. So in the box, you get a USB A to C cable, a screen protector, which is really nice to include that in the box, and some screen cleaners. So this thing comes in 3 different colors, and here I opted into going with the transparent blue, which I don't know, I just like the bright color. But I will say the gray color gives a lot of retro vibes. So if you're into that, I would definitely go with the gray one. Currently, this thing retails for $69.99, but time and again, you can find this on sale for $59.99. When I purchased this on Amazon, I actually paid $59.99 for this. So for that price, this thing it's incredible for that price. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so let's talk about the specs, right? What's inside of this thing? So it's got a 3.5-inch IPS screen. The CPU is a H700 quad core. It's got 1 GB of RAM, 64 GB of micro SD card storage. It does have 2 slots. It's running Linux 64-bit, got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and unlike the old Game Boy, we're in 2024, which means it's got a lithium-ion battery. So it's a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 8 hours. I've been playing with this for about 2 weeks now, and I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did at first. I started playing Tetris on here. I downloaded Mario, Zelda. I mean, come on, you can even play PSP games on this thing. Need for Speed on this form factor, it's quite nice. And then the whole portability of it is awesome. It's a flip screen, so it's portable. You can take it pretty much anywhere you want. You know, I took it to the beach last week and we were out there for a few hours to see the sunset, and before the sunset, I was gaming on this. All right, so here's why I think this is one of the best, if not the best, retro gaming handheld gaming device this year. So the quad-core processor on here handles emulation like a champ, and it supports a wide range of systems. So like I mentioned before, it's got PlayStation Portable game, NES game, Super NES games, Game Boy Color, pretty much all the classic Pokemon games. And not only that, the gameplay is very, very smooth. With minimal lag and load time, it's like having a retro arcade right in your pocket. Also, the user interface is really nice on here and it's easy to navigate. You can quickly switch between different emulators, adjust settings, and customize control to your liking. So another reason that I love this thing is the storage. It comes with a micro SD card slot, so you can expand your storage and carry your entire library with you. Right now, I have over 6,000 games in here. That's enough to keep me entertained for hours to come. Lastly, my favorite thing about this is the form factor. It is really small. And the flip screen, I mean, come on, this thing is compact. It's incredibly portable. Whether you're on the home, relaxing at home, or at the beach, the Anbernic SP fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. The flip screen is a game changer, and it's very satisfying. Just listen to this. Yeah, it feels very satisfying to open and close, just like the Game Boy Advance SP back in the day that I grew up with. So honestly, the Anbernic SP with the flip screen and compact design captures the essence of what makes handheld gaming special. It's more than just a device. It's a journey back to simpler times with a modern twist. So if you're in the market for a retro handheld gaming device, the Anbernic RG35XX SP is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, once you get your hands on it, you'll be hooked. So as always, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and let me know what I can do better, and let me know if there's something out there you guys want me to review. Leave a comment down below, and until next time.